Morning, everybody. This is John over at Wylie Park. It's July the 2nd, 2025. It's about 9:30 a.m. Thought I'd come over here and admire the mayor's cleanup work here. And it does look a whole lot better. It's there's all the pine needles and stuff that they gathered up yesterday. Gathered up Saturday. So I say it's looking a lot better today. Pool's got a lot of standing water in it. That's the kiddie pool, and it really looks bad. And the pool in general, a lot of standing water in there. But the concrete looks good. And I was going to film this from up there, kind of give you an overall view, but I think I'll stay down here. I think I'm going to show you why. Don't know what to tell you about Wylie. It's been over here for a long time, taking photos, making videos. I don't mean to make a nuisance of myself. I just think people should know what's going on here. Going to head up the sidewalk here. Hopefully I don't find what I'm thinking I'm going to find. Kind of nice out today. It's not too hot so far. Sun's trying to peek through. What I'm thinking is I'm going to find up here, and the reason I don't want to go back in here too far is electrical problems. It's a safety hazard. Fire hazard. You can see the line here coming off that pole, running into the park. Line's running up all down the west end. Again, that's the feeder going into the park. This feeds the park lights. Out-of-town visitors come here and they say, wow, the park's got putt-putt. But you've seen what that's like. I'll cut around this corner if I see what I think I'm going to see. I'm not going any further. Yeah, it looks about the same. Get somebody down in here. Cool. Somebody down in here. That's the tree leaning. And that's the other tree leaning on the power line. Go down here and see what this guy's got going on. He's sitting up in here, coming out. I don't know who he is. Public Works guys. City of Chester. That's great. Those would be the people I'm looking for. I'm not going back down in there. A lot of mosquitoes over here, you can imagine. all that standing water down yonder. So that's good to find the public works guys in here. Those are the people that I think are supposed to be responsible for taking care of the park. Going to head back down to the pool. And what I'm going to do is I've been reporting this since January. I first took it to the cops 2 or 3 times, and they yellow taped the thing off so people wouldn't walk up under that tree and get near those power lines. They did that about 2 or 3 times. The tree was never removed. Power lines, you know, they're in contact with a tree down in there, one tree, and that other tree comes down, it's going to take it out. And that fault, when it goes out, you see all these, you don't know how many houses that's going to affect. I mean, it could go down there to the bypass and all back there in Park Drive, and there's a power station over that way. So it could affect hundreds of homes. And it's not only, and we're talking about 90-degree days. We're not talking about complaining about healthy people being hot and can't fix their meals. And we're talking about people in those houses. Some of them have got to be elderly and sick. Some of them on hospice. And you don't want that happening. You know, if you see a problem and you can take care of it before it becomes a bigger problem, that's what you should do. So I'm going to call the firefighters this time. The cops sent me to the firefighters and said they would take care of it. And I contacted the firefighters just months ago. Spoke to some fire chief, and he said that they would take care of it. But I neglected to ask when they're going to take care of it. I mean, it's priority to me. So I'm going to contact, going to call the 911 and get the fire department over here, non-emergency, and see what they say. Thanks for listening.